Next example of non-infectious disease is diabetes, which is very very common in our country. uh, the reason why diabetes happen, we will understand the main reason behind this. There is an hormone called insulin which is produced naturally inside our body by pancreas. Pancreas is an internal organ which is situated near our stomach, pancreas. So this pancreas naturally produce insulin hormone. And what is role of this insulin hormone? Whatever food we eat, after it gets digested, it gets converted into glucose. Whatever food you eat, okay, after complete digestion it gets converted into glucose. So this glucose is present in our blood. Our body cells use this glucose for producing energy, for doing work. But there is some extra glucose remaining in our body, which is not good. There has to be a limit for this extra glucose which is present in our blood. So, who controls this level? The insulin. Insulin hormone will make this glucose will help our body to use this glucose whenever it is a little bit also extra, okay. And an extra will and in case if we don't need energy, then it will be converted to some other form and it will be stored in the body. This work is done by insulin hormone. But sometimes in some people what happens is the insulin hormone is produced very less, or it is not produced at all, and such patients then suffer with diabetes. In their case, then this glucose which is present in the blood, it cannot be used by our cells because there is no insulin to do this work. Hence their blood glucose level is always higher, which is not good, which hampers their working of the body. This is one reason. We will see the symptoms of diabetes. They are very common and frequent. Frequent urination at night means the patient will have to use the washroom. The amount of urine produced by the kidney will be more and more in less time. Increased obesity. Obesity means weight will be increased a lot, or in some cases weight will be lost. Either the patient will some patients become very fat, or some patients become very very thin. What are the reasons for diabetes? One one the major reason that we have understood is either insulin is not produced or it is produced very less. So what makes this happen? Heredity. If somebody in the family has parents or grandparents, they have diabetes, there are chances that next generation will also have. Another reason is obesity, too much of overweight for longer period of time. If person is not trying to reduce, then such people will have diabetes in later stages of life. Lack of physical exercise. Some or the other kind of exercise is necessary for our body. Even simple walking, running will be helpful. Mental stress.